Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I create this nice hair color, and I'll be using the Adore in Arrange purple range, and then this new color I picked up. This is the BTZ hair color, and it's in a raspberry, and it's the semi-permanent hair color. And this hair is from my hair company, prestigetrimandhair.com. The link is always in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. This is from my Platinum Blonde collection, and this wig is the 13 by 6 body wave. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and color this hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and section off the back section, because this is what I always do. I always start from the back and then, you know, make my way up to the top. So I put the Adore hair color in purple range into the bowl, and I put a little bit of condition because this is the way how I like to do it, because it just makes the hair more softer, because you guys know 613 hair is already bleached and dye, so you're going to put another, you know, bleach onto the hair, so you want to make sure that it is, you know, soft and nice and not too dry. So first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and start from the roots, and I'm not going to take it all the way to the end. That the other color will be at the end, so I'm just going to go like, you know, almost halfway down, and I'm going to make sure that I ladder this up, and you're going to go underneath the hair and make sure that you get all the colors into the hair. And then you're going to take a comb and comb it out, and if there's any spot that is not colored, go ahead and just, you know, put the color in. But basically I'm just doing the roots. So you're going to take your paper cloth or towel and wipe your hands off, because you're going to go ahead and section off the next hair, and you don't want all the color to just go all over the hair. If you're going to do one color, that's fine, but I'm doing two, so I have to make sure that I wipe my hand off every time I'm going to section off a piece of hair, because I don't want everything to be purple. So I'm just going to continue to just work my way up all the way to the top section, just like that, and just make sure that you get everything that you want to color. And yeah, just continue to just keep on watching me. So now I'm at the lace top part. I'm going to section off half of that, and I'm going to show you half on camera and then do the other one off camera. But I just want to show you how it is very crucial with the top part, because the lace, you do not want to bleach your lace. Please don't bleach your lace purple or whatever color you're using. Don't do that. It does not look good. So I'm going to go ahead and part off the hair, and I'm going to take, like a medium, small to medium size, and then pin it up. And I'm going to take my color, and I'm going to make sure that I take a little bit on the brush, like the brush is coated a little teeny bit. And you're going to go ahead and just kind of take your time. As you see how I am showing you how I wipe my brush off, I'm wiping that brush off. So it's a little bit of color onto that brush, because you don't want it to be dripping all over the place. So if you watch keenly, I'm going to go ahead and just slightly tap it on close to the root. Really, really close, but not touching it at all. You can go that way or you can go down, whichever way you prefer. I do both sometimes. So as you see how I'm pushing the brush in a different angle, and I'm taking my sweet ass time. Like in total, the front area alone take me almost an hour to do, because I want to make sure that no purple touch my knots or touch my roots at all. So I know a lot of people use like got2b spray or some oil just to cover the lace, so that if the color touch the lace, it doesn't bleach. But I don't do that. I just take my time and do it. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to just do it section by section, and then comb it out when I feel like all the colors are onto the hair. Then again, just wipe my hand off and then section off the next piece. So now that I finished one section, as you can see, it is coated, but you can see that the roots are not at purple or blue, whatever you call this color, because this color light, giving me different colors when I'm in the light. It shows purple, then it shows blue, but as you can see that it does not touch that lace at all. So next color is the raspberry, and let me tell you something, I never used this color before, but I picked it up from Sally Beauty online because you guys know everything is closed. So I went online and picked this color up. And this color smells just like raspberry. As you see, I'm smelling it. It smells so good. Like my whole entire makeup room was smelling so sweet. Like, I really love this color. And the good thing about it is that it's very cheap. Very, very, very cheap. I think it's like $4 or something like that. And it did not bleach. It did not run all over the hair. It did not, like, you know, some hair color will run onto the other hair color. This did not do that. And I even sleep with this hair color, and I did not tie my hair up. And I have on a white pillowcase, and it did not bleach onto my pillowcase. So I really love this hair color a lot. So what I'm gonna do is just section off the back again. And this part, you don't really have to be precise. You're just putting it onto the ends, but you gotta make sure that it's like fade into the bluish purple color, because you want to have like a ombre color. That's what you're going for. You don't want to have a separation. So you want to make sure that you kind of pull that hair color into the other color so that it could blend and fade in. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. As you see that I'm putting my brush into an angle, and I'm going to take it and put some onto that purple color that I put, and then all the way down to the end. And then I'm going to use my comb and comb it out to make sure that I get everything coated with that hair color. So I let it sit overnight because I want to make sure that I have a really bright hair color. So I let it sit overnight, and then off camera I'm going to go ahead and wash it out with my shampoo and condition. And this is me. Hi. So now that it's all washed out, and I did let it air dry, but I just wanted to just use my blow dryer and dry it out a little bit more so that it could be straight, but I did go ahead and air dry it. So yeah, this is the hair color. I know that part of the bottom piece, the blue, touch it, but it's fine. It's my hair color. I'm not coloring the hair for nobody. If I am, I have to be making sure that I am more careful not to get it looking like this, but because I'm the only one wearing the hairs, you know, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to comb it out. I'm going to style it off camera because I have a lot of videos showing you how I put my wig on, and I'm going to show you the finished product. So this is the finished look, guys. I freaking love this color so much. I never do a color like this, but I am obsessed, and everybody's obsessed on Instagram too. If you are not following me, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this look and what other hair color you want me to try. And make sure you subscribe because I do upload on Monday through Friday. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah.